First, how faulty insurance claims are hurting the process. Joining us right now, we have attorney Kennamer with the McMahan Law Firm to talk about some of those insurance companies that tend to sort of fight back, but that's why you are here. And we've got a couple examples here where you may start off as a small fender bender, but it's much more than that, or certain cases lead to certain things. And you have a couple of different ones that you want to kind of highlight here when it comes to where the insurance is really not owning it on their end.
Yeah, and of course, currently we're celebrating recovering approximately $6 million.
In just 6 weeks, too.
In just 6 weeks for our clients. But some of the battles that we're having to fight, and there's a public perception that we are the ones that are filing more lawsuits and the plaintiffs are the ones that are bringing it or causing it to happen. And these are just some examples that I just pulled out just coming here today that show that we're not the ones that are forcing lawsuits to be filed. It's the insurance companies that are making small offers, sitting on their hands, barely paying their defense attorneys so they don't care, and forcing their insurers to be sued. It's just about every case, automobile wreck case, which a lot of them are handling and represent in this area.
Sure.
Every one of them has insurance behind, but you can't say it.
Right.
All right. Every case involves insurance, but there's a rule. You just can't say that it's involved. And here's an example. We have example number one, a pot-smoking minor that busts through an intersection, hits our person head on, causes them $21,000 in medical expenses. What do you think the insurance company's first offer was?
I'm pretty sure the bare minimum and much less than that.
$23,500. So that's a whopping $2,500 for a head-on collision. Nobody in their right mind would ever do that or take that, but they're hoping that the conservative, blinder jury is going to reward them for it because they've played into their hands for so many years.
Right.
And that's several examples here. That's one insurance company. Another one, here's a head-on or ran a red light and broken elbow. Their offer was $10,400 for a broken elbow, horrible crash.
Right.
What do you think their first offer was?
Yeah, not enough.
$12,100. You know, who's going to take, approximately, what was the math there, $1,700 for a broken elbow? No sane person whatsoever. So these are examples of why would we file suit? Why wouldn't we? Is the issue. We're forced to have to.
Now, when it comes to a trial, that doesn't really happen too often. In many cases, it's a settlement that will take place, but that's not a bad thing either because you're fighting for that settlement. You don't really want it to go to trial as much as they want to fight it, but eventually there is a settlement. Is there a fear that maybe some people don't act on contacting a lawyer thinking, well, it's just going to take forever and it's not going to be worth it?
Well, they're playing into the big insurance hands. I mean, they want to big insurance wants to draw it out, wants to wear down the person, wants to make ridiculous offers and hope that they will take it. It's one of the biggest abuses of our community right now is what big insurance is trying to do, and the conservative mindset is playing right into their hands.
Right. Now, real quickly, too, the type of accident, you mentioned a head-on collision, but we've talked about examples of just a fender bender. It can lead to, not the right amount when it comes to an insurance. If you were telling somebody out there, does it matter even the type of wreck? Yeah,
I'm going to bring some examples on an upcoming show. Of photographs of what the insurance companies have played off saying, well, there was little or no damage to the back of the vehicle, but then I'll show, what happened on inside the cab and inside the vehicles and the injuries that were actually caused, and show that these perceived low impact claims are actually very devastating to some people.
Well, sometimes it could be just a small accident or a major one, but the fight against the insurance company can be a tough one. These guys are here to help out. It is the McMahan Law Firm, located at 323 High Street in Chattanooga, downtown Chattanooga, over by the Bluffview. Their phone number is 423-265-1100. Their website, McMahanLawFirm.com. They're here to fight for you. Appreciate you coming on, as always.